Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Tejinder. In the previous video, we learned how to schedule a class or meeting using the Zoom platform. Now in this video, we will see how to start a class or how to host a meeting on this very platform. So if you are ready, then let us begin. I will explain this entire process of starting the class or meeting on Zoom from the scratch. So first of all, just sign in to your Zoom account. Let me sign in. So I'm using my same Gmail ID. Now this is the place where we left last time. Here you can see our already scheduled meeting is there, and whenever you want to start a class or meeting, you have to click on this button. So sometimes you see that start is there and sometimes it is a join. So now let me click on join. So you will see this type of window. If nothing is happening here, you can click here and you can download this application. But I have already downloaded. So let me just click on Open Zoom Meetings. Okay, you will see this type of window. First of all, what you have to do? You have to just click on Join the Computer Audio. Now this is the interface that we have to use. Now let me explain each and everything about this interface. These are your controls. You have the speaker button here and you have the video button here. Now what does it mean? Whenever you want to share your audio with the participants, so you can control it from here. Now for example, you can see here something is happening here in this mic, the green signal. That means my audio is going live to my participants. At any stage, if you don't want to share your audio for whatsoever any reason, so just click on this one. Now in this case, it is clear. Now whatever I will speak, my audience, they will not be able to listen to me. Let me again unmute it. Now this is the second thing, is the stop video or share the video. Now my video is going live with my students or the participants, and at any stage if I want that they should not view my video or I want to stop my video sharing, so I can click on this one. The moment I clicked on this one, now my video is not visible to my participants. Let me again share my video. Now here you will see the list of the participants, those who have already joined your class. So as of now, I can see one student has joined this class and she is muted here. Okay, let us talk about these functions little bit more about. Now here is the manage the participants. Just click on this one. So as of now, we have two participants including me. So let me click on this one and let us see what is there. Here you can see on the right hand side, we have list of all the participants who are presently in your meeting or in your class. So as of now, as I said, we have only one student here, and at any stage you want to mute or unmute or share or not to share her cam, you can use these buttons here. So first, let us say at any stage you want to unmute this student, so you will click here and you can unmute. Now in this case, what will happen? You will be able to listen to what your student is saying. Let me mute it. Same thing is about your camera. Okay, let us go back to this one. Now talk about this one. This is the chat function here. Let me click on this one. What does it mean? Here you can chat with your participant using any text message. And similarly, your participants or students, they can chat from their end. Their messages will be visible to you and other students as well. Let me just type this message here. So now this message will be visible to everyone whosoever is there in the meeting. So during the session, you can use this option so that others can't disturb you a lot. Your students can put your questions here and accordingly you can answer those questions as well. Okay, so we talk about the participants, we talk about the chat function. Now the next important point is here, how you can just change the layout. Just click on the gallery view and you can see all your students here, whosoever is there in the class itself. And this is speaker view. Now the important point. Suppose you want to teach to the students with the help of one PPT or anything you want to demonstrate to your students by using your computer screen. So let me first show you if you want to teach with the help of the PPT. Let me open the PPT here, then I will explain the rest of the things. Now this is my topic that I want to teach to my students through Zoom. Whenever you will open any other window, you will see this Zoom window will be minimized, and you want to come back, just click on this button, exit minimized window, and you will be back to your Zoom screen. Okay, now I want to share. Now you have to use this function, share screen. This is the most important function as far as our classes are concerned in the Zoom. So click on share screen. Now Zoom will ask you which window or the entire screen you want to share with your students. So you have different options here, but I will say the first screen, it means the entire desktop you are going to share with your students. So let me click on this one. But if you don't want to share at any stage entire desktop, you want to share only specific window, then you can select that window as well. But let me share the entire desktop first. Click on this one and click on share. Now what is happening at the student's end, this screen is live. They will be able to see this screen now, and let me just make it full. Yes. Now all the students or the participants, they will be able to see this screen. Now I will start teaching to my students and I will deliver my lecture here. So I can just change the slides here back and forth. And few more things which you should remember when you are teaching your class. You will see this is your minimized window of Zoom, and few of the functions are available here. Let me just click on this one. You can see all controls are here. At any stage you can use this mute and unmute button. You can use this sharing of videos, and similarly you can manage the participants. And at any stage you want to pause this screen, you can just use this one. Now this is the annotate button, which is very useful. So annotate will be useful if you have to draw, if you have to highlight any part of your presentation, then you can use this button. So click on this one. For example, I want to draw something here. So you can use this button, and I want to write something here. You can just click on this button and you can use this one. So we have so many other options here. Just explore these options. Whatever appropriate option is there, you can use that option accordingly. So one thing is very clear, that this part will not be visible to your students. Another important point that you have to note here, from this more button, at any stage you want to look at the chat, click on chat, and this chat will be visible, and you can again see whether any student has asked the question or not, and accordingly you can respond to your students. Once your session will be completed, you can just click on stop share and see, you will be back to your speaker window, and from here you can just end the meeting. And I forget one important thing here which you should do in the beginning only. If you want to record your session, you can use this record button as well. I hope this will help you to organize your classes through the Zoom. Let us end this meeting. Click on end and end this meeting. That's fine. So thank you so much for being with me. I hope you will be able to use Zoom for your classes. So still, if you have any question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you so much.